Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Nelson and Karen Rose, and this is an intermediate modern jive clip showing you how to do a double cross zipper spin. Knowing how to do a double cross already would be helpful, knowing how to do a zipper would be helpful. Obviously, we're assuming at this point you can do spins. I'll put links to those in the description below so it's easy and quick for you to find those in case you need them. But first off, we're going to show you the move. It goes like this. It goes 7 and 8. Or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. So let's break it down. It starts off like a standard double cross. So we go semicircle back to 2 hands. We do a travelling return, both hands over the head to get to our double cross position. From here, it looks like we're going to go into a zipper. So we're going through, the left hand's going over the lady, the right hand is going over the guy, but instead of going past, dropping them and getting them behind the back, we stop early. So we end up with our arms straight and stretched, and we do a direction change. So we now bring the lady back towards the side she was on with the left hand. We pull back to start the lady coming around. We're going to spin left, lady's going to spin right. We're going to go all the way around and catch, return, and back. So let's do it again from this side. So you see the other way around, and we'll talk numbers. So we go back to 2 hands, 1, over the lady for the travelling return, 2, stretch out 3, into our stretched position 4, change in direction 5 with a spin 6, catch 7, return 8, and back 1. It is possible to do it a count faster, but it certainly isn't going to be a nice way to learn it. And the only reason I would do the fast one is if I was trying to hit something in the music, so I had to like take the count out to make a break or something like that. Okay, so let's try it together. Here we go. 5, 6, zipper, spin. We go back over the lady and look, stretch it out, change direction into the spin, catch, return, and back. And that's that. That's the whole thing. I hope you enjoy that one and have good fun with it out on the dance floor. Do like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Liking promotes the movement of the channel. Thank you for that. Subscribing means you get told if you've got notifications turned on and hit the bell every time a new video comes out, so you never miss anything. So thank you to everyone who does that, because that helps promote the channel. Comments are welcome, so if you want to say great or you like a different version of this move or anything like that, do pop it in the comments below. And a music recommendation on the end is something nice to practice this to. As always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.